In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Disney Cruise Line app on Android. This app is essential for planning your cruise and staying updated on activities during your trip. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You can find the Play Store icon typically located on your home screen or in the app drawer. It looks like a colorful triangle. Once you tap on it, the store will load, displaying various apps and games. If you have not logged in yet, you might be prompted to enter your Google account credentials. This step is crucial because accessing the Play Store requires an active Google account. Once logged in, you'll be ready to explore the vast selection of apps available, including the Disney Cruise Line app. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the Google Play Store. This is where you will type in the name of the app you are looking for. Type Disney Cruise Line carefully to ensure accuracy. As you type, suggestions may appear below the search bar. These suggestions can help you find the app faster. The search function is a powerful tool, allowing you to quickly locate specific apps among the thousands available. Once you finish typing, press the search button on your keyboard to see the results. Now, select the official Disney Cruise Line Navigator app from the list of search results. Look for the app that features the recognizable Disney logo, which signifies its authenticity. It's important to choose the official app to ensure the best experience and access to all features. Scanning through the results can sometimes lead to confusion due to similar app names. However, identifying the official app will guarantee you are downloading the correct one. Once you find it, tap on it to open the app's page for more details. Next, tap the Install button to begin downloading the app. This button is usually located on the right side of the app page. Once you tap on Install, the download will start immediately. You will see a progress bar indicating the download status. This step is significant because it allows you to access the app and all its features once it is installed on your device. Be patient as the download may take a few moments depending on your internet connection. Once the installation is complete, you will see a confirmation message letting you know the app is ready to use. After that, once the installation is finished, you can open the app directly from the Play Store by tapping on the Open button. Alternatively, you can find the app icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Opening the app will lead you to the welcome screen where you can start setting up your account and exploring the features available. This initial setup is essential to personalize your experience and ensure you make the most out of your cruise planning. With everything ready, you are all set to enjoy the magical experience Disney has to offer. Now you know how to download the Disney Cruise Line app on your Android device. Following these steps will give you access to important cruise information and updates. Enjoy planning your next Disney adventure.